We're at O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Customer's car wasn't starting. Got a call. O'Reilly's put a new battery. Kept clicking. No start. Oh, it's PJ, by the way. Say what's up, PJ.
Hey, man, how y'all doing?
Yeah. So got in there, checked it out. They sold them the starter. Just decided to double check everything. What it ended up being was this bolt right here. Let it focus. On the battery terminal. It had the wrong nut on it, so it wasn't letting it tighten all the way. So took it off, cleaned it up, cranked it up, started. Sorry guys, but people that work at auto parts stores are not mechanics. They're not mechanics for a reason. No hate, I love them. They sell me parts, but make sure you get a professional opinion before you start buying expensive stuff. All right, Mechanic to Go, San Antonio, Texas. I'm out.